I'm using this video to explain the law of indices. A to the power n. A represents the base. N represents the power. The power shows how many times the base is being multiplied. For example, 2 to the power 3 means 2 is multiplied 3 times. 2 times 2 times 2. Let's take a second example. 3 to the power 2 means 3 is being multiplied 2 times. 3 times 3. Let's look at the first law of indices. A to the power m times a to the power n. Since the bases are the same, we have to add the powers when we are multiplying. A therefore becomes m plus n. Let's take an example. 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 1. Since the bases are the same, we write 2 and we add the powers. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 will give us 4. So it becomes 2 to the power 4. Let's go to the next law. The next law would be a to the power m divided by a to the power n. This would be a to the power m minus n. Let's take an example. We have 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 2. Since the bases are the same, it becomes 2, 4 minus 2. 2, 4 minus 2 gives us 2. Let's move to other laws. So for the second law, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, where we have a being m minus n. Let's take an example. 2 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 1. This becomes 2 to the power 3 minus 1. And therefore 2 will be to the power 2. These can be represented in other forms. For example, we could have a to the power m divided by a to the power n, which is the same as a to the power m minus n. Let's take an example. We could have 5 to the power 3 dividing 5 to the power 2. This could be the same as 5 times 5 times 5 all over 5 times 5. These 5's cancel out and we get 5, which is the same as 5 to the power 1. In other terms, we could explain 5 to the power 3 over 5 to the power 2 to be 5 to the power 3 minus 2, which will be 3 minus 2 becomes 1, which will be 5 to the power 1. Let's move to other laws. Any number raised to the power 0 equals 1.